the reason why I think this is the best bike tool ever is because it fits my bike. I went and found out what Allens I needed. This one's got it. It was only $14 on Amazon. And it's Crank Brothers, the M5. It's super lightweight. Can fit in any jersey pocket, pant pocket, in my bike bag. It's just awesome. That's why, to me, it's the best one ever. Because it fits my bike. And that's what you got to find out. Find out what fits your bike and get what you need. All these I got here, and I got a bunch of them. These are just a few. This one's from Nashville. I think it was like $12. It's even got a chain breaker that actually works. Pretty cool. And like this one that I carry all the time on the e-bike now, just happens to be from Giant. It's actually got a tire lever built in it, which is kind of cool. It was cheap, inexpensive, but it's got lots of Allens. It's got sockets. It's made well. Like I said, I carry it on a Specialized just because it fits the bike. It does what I want. And anyway, as far as that goes, I always carry the Pedro tire levers because they are the best. You know, they snap together. They're like unbreakable. Anyway, I love this tool. I have a few different ones of the Crank Brothers, and they're really nice. Like I said, this one's $14 on Amazon. Can't hardly beat it. Hey, y'all, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see some more stuff like this, thanks for watching.